That needs to go into storage now. We're waiting for the new one. They are unboxing it and it's gonna go right here. I'm so excited. You guys, I think it's too big and it's so heavy. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful though. Legit, it's a little too big, you guys. I don't know. I think I need to return it. Oh my gosh. No. And it's higher than the other one. My sofa's low. So at this point, it's like clashing. Let me put these things on it. Like, you guys, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Now I have to deal with this. What am I doing with my life? I'm like, literally, I'm like adding more struggle to my life right now. Okay, here's the comparison, you guys. It is pretty big. Yeah, let me know what you think. I personally love it. Okay, like the coffee table alone, I love it. It's so beautiful. I love the travertine. I've been wanting like something different, not just the wood, and the wooden legs are so pretty. My neighbor came over and she said she doesn't think it's too big. She also really loves it. Sent a video to my mom. I want to see what she thinks. And I sent one over to my manager, Tara, and she likes it a lot as well and agrees that I should just like try it out for a couple of days and then see how I feel about it. But I don't know, I mean, I do love it. I think I just have to get used to it because obviously like it is taking up more space than I'm used to. What I do think it's missing are some flowers, right? Like I need to get, I have vases and everything, but I just need like some big flowers and then it doesn't look so bare because I think that's the only thing. But what I really want to work on now is fixing this area. That needs to go. I need to take that to my car. But the cactus, I'm taking it outside. That way I can move the console over to be more centered. And then I'm gonna fix this situation. I don't know if there's just too much going on. I'm gonna see if it's looking too messy, but maybe once I take the cactus outside, it'll look a little bit better. And then over here, remember, we still have this situation going on. I do have a table and this lamp situation that I got for this corner. So the game plan is to do a little unboxing, see what it looks like. This is tiny. This is tiny. Oh my gosh. This is where I work out. Whew. Okay, this is... I measure things, you guys. I measure things and it's just not what I think it's gonna be. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. It's very small and it's not covering the thing I wanted to cover, aka the router. I guess from certain angles it is. No, yeah, I totally I see the router. I see the router. I hate the router. I don't know. I wasn't expecting it to obviously like match, right? But we have this round, I don't even know, stand or whatever that I have. And honestly, like I can't even really put anything on it. It's honestly more just decor. So what if I get rid of this one and instead, what if I move this one to be more of like the entryway table? What looks better? This one with the white or this one with that one? I kind of like that with like the fan, you know? I feel like this is giving like, okay, there's that example or there's that example. Like I feel like that kind of looks better. So I think I just have to kind of get into the space right now, vibe it out, open up that lamp because either way, like I have that lamp. I'm trying to use that lamp. I'm trying to add more lamps in here. Let me figure that out. I also need to figure out this situation, and let's see if something makes sense. Let me cook a little bit. Okay, this is the lamp. It's actually from CB2 Kids. Let's see what it looks like. I already forgot. Oh, it's super cute. Ooh, I love the height on this. Wait, this actually might be really good for the space. Yeah, because the height will help how small it is, actually. Ooh, that's so cute. Wow, I don't even have a light bulb. I don't even have a light bulb. Oh my gosh. Why do I always forget that lamps don't come with light bulbs? Okay, this is from my other one. Is it even gonna fit? No, of course not. It needs a tiny one. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna show it like this. I need to get a light bulb for it. I only use Moody light bulbs because if you just get regular light bulbs, they're very cool tone. So make sure that you get Moody light bulbs. I will link the ones that I use in the description. They just make your space feel nice and warm and cozy. Fingers crossed that it looks good. Ooh, that's actually pretty damn cute. That's pretty cute, you guys. I actually really like that. Okay, so this rubber plant has been on the top of one of my office shelves. So it's been just like drooping down, but I can get a stake to help it stand up. So I'm gonna take off the moss pole. And then next time I'm near Home Depot, I could just go pick up a stake. I just feel like the table is too far from the couch. Like the table should be a little bit closer. So what if a plant is what's going to distract from the router and stuff? So if I bring it a little closer, she's tall. Oh my gosh, she is so tall. I'm so sorry, girl. I didn't realize how tall you were. And I love this color because it's like has pink, right? This is my pink one. What's that look like? Kind of need to see a picture. It is hot, okay? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna move the console over so it's centered now. Now I remember why I didn't have it centered. It's because then you could see the outlet. I hate outlets. I hate outlets so much. Why am I being so dramatic? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I have to be dramatic. But look at, I just hate the look of the outlets. But I mean, I'd rather have this centered now. Sweet. Okay, now the TV. Do I want to hide? No, I want to hide. I'm wondering too if that lamp is gonna be there now. I could bring the taller lamp up over here, and then I could move this guy, because this one honestly gets so annoying to have to turn on because it has a switch over here. So let me see what it looks like over there, and then maybe to declutter a bit, I could move the record back to where all the other records are, which is in the office. The record player could stay there. One thing about me, I love my little knickknacks. Everything's connected to an extension cord in like a crazy space in there. Damn it! I don't want to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's about to get crazy. Let's not be so dramatic. Okay, I'm hoping I find it easily. I like really have more things to do. I don't want to take too long doing this. Oh, okay, I found it. I forgot that I had organized this, so... But now I have to bring that one over here. Gnat traps. If you have a lot of gnats at home, get yourself some Classy Casita gnat traps, okay? Link in bio. Maybe if we move the plant to this side, and then a good thing too is that when this light is on, your plant gets a little row light at the same time, okay? Honestly, not too bad if I bring the TV down a little bit, tilt it. It's okay if it's covering this a bit because it's not being used, but when it's being used, move it around a little bit. Let's see what the other lamp looks like here. And then maybe this kind of helps with, whoa, you guys, I'm like freaking out. I don't know why everything just looks so different now. We're just gonna try it out, you guys, and let's see what it looks like and just vibe it out for a couple of days, you know? Okay, you guys, this is what it's looking like. Ugh, I hate those so much, but whatever. At least they're white and they kind of just blend in. You really have to pay attention. But this is what it's looking like. Okay, I think I have to get used to it. I'm just so used to seeing that plant over here, and it kind of would always just balance things out. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna just I think I'm just gonna take it to the storage, and then I don't know, I need to remove the coffee table just so I can start getting used to this big one and see how I like that. And then this is my other pot that I had the cactus in. I think it's about the same size as this one that I have my bird of paradise in. I need to check, I think, or maybe one is taller than the other. But I'm thinking, okay, if that one's smaller, whichever one's smaller or shorter or something, I'm thinking of putting it here. Yeah, that's looking a little bit too big. Yeah, actually, this one I could already tell is, I think, shorter. So I might swap them out because the other one was starting to feel like it was just a lot going on. But either way, maybe once I get the stakes, it's a different story. But I'm just gonna swap these out and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, you guys, I put the white pot. What do you guys think? I honestly kind of like it. The table's not that bad because honestly, if there was anything bigger there, maybe it would start looking too cluttery, you know? So I think I'm gonna test everything out for a couple of days and then see how I feel. But let me know what you guys think. Let me show you guys a few little clips.